In this video, we're going to look at how we can create an invite, and in particular, how do we make a video conferencing meeting? So for example, using Teams. So if you go to your calendar, you can double click to create a new team meeting. We can also click on new event at the top there. So if I click on new event, that'll bring up that same screen. So we've got two options there on how we can create the actual event. From there, we need to give it some sort of title. So we can have our meeting, and we can also invite different people. So I'm going to invite Scott Linder to this meeting. By default, the Teams meeting will be set up. So if you would like for your meeting to be in person, you can always close this off. Some of the protocols some people are using is if it is an in-person meeting, they're just putting in person in square brackets, and that way everyone knows who attends or has a glance at their calendar will be aware that this is an in-person meeting and they need to actually be physical in that. So if it is an in-person meeting, I would then click that off. From there, because I already have someone invited to this meeting, I can try and find a time. And in order to do that, I want to use the scheduling assistant. So I can go to find time. At first glance, it'll give me some options. So we're both available on Thursday, Friday, and this time here. I can also go to scheduling assistant, which gives me a lot larger group. So this view will allow me to see spaces that perhaps are available. So if I wanted to add in our meeting room in HS 504, I can see when this is available. So we can choose a location and also find a time which is convenient for all of us. From there, I can either close this window or I can click send, and that will send that meeting invite to them. So I'll go ahead and press that send button. So we can see that this meeting has been created. If I click on the details, if this was a Teams meeting, it would have the link where we can join. Because it's in person, I can see at a glance that it is in person.